Kyokushin Karate is built on 3 pillars: strong basics, strong spirit, and strong body. If you want to learn Kyokushin, you must master discipline, technique, and conditioning. It is not about being flashy. It is about being powerful, efficient, and resilient. And start with the stances. A solid stance is the foundation of Kyokushin. In practice, Zenkitsu Daki Kiba Daki and Sanshin Daki. These stances build balance, power, and stability for every strike you throw. Next, learn the basic strikes. Straight punches, low punches, knife hand strikes, and powerful mid-level punches form the core of Kyokushin. Focus on clean form, hip rotation, and tight technique. A strong punch begins with the legs, not just the arms. Now train low kicks. Kyokushin is famous for its devastating low roundhouse kick. Turn your hips, pivot your foot, and strike with your shin. A well-trained low kick can stop an opponent's movement instantly. Add body conditioning. Kyokushin fighters are known for toughness. Practice light shin tapping, forearm conditioning, and core hardening drills. Build durability gradually and safely. A strong body supports strong technique. Improve your footwork. Kyokushin is full contact, but movement is still essential. Practice stepping forward, backward, and sideways while staying grounded. Footwork helps you control distance and apply pressure. Train your kata. Kata builds rhythm, power, and understanding of technique. Practice slowly, then powerfully. Every movement in a kata teaches balance, breathing, and form. Now add breathing control. Kyokushin uses sharp exhalations and strong internal focus. Breathe with purpose. A steady breath improves power and keeps your mind calm. Develop fighting spirit. Kyokushin isn't just physical, it's mental. You train to face pressure without fear. Confidence grows from discipline, not aggression. A calm, focused mind makes your technique stronger. Finally, practice consistently. Kyokushin masters train basics every day. Repetition builds power. Repetition builds understanding. Repetition builds the Kyokushin spirit. If you master stances, strikes, low kicks, conditioning, kata, footwork, and breathing, you will begin to understand the real essence of Kyokushin Karate. Strength, respect, discipline, and unbreakable will. Train hard, breathe strong, OSU.